Welcome back to another smart AI automation video. In this case, we are generating super high quality images for free. If you're someone who is spending a lot of money on API credits and not getting the results as you want, or if you are someone who need a free alternative, and if you are a freelancer and want to set up the same system and generate high quality images system for your client, this video is for you. Let's check out the images which I have created from this automation. I just told it a Pakistani cricket player holding a bat, and look at the quality. Look at the details it added to the image. And here are other examples like a main first time in F1 Formula 1 car racing. Very excited, and look at this. Look at the quality of image. This is insane. I was amazed by this. And look at another example. I just told it a cyberpunk Kate and wearing a nano glasses. And look at the image, look at the quality, look at the details. And now let's test it. Let me run this once. And let's paste a simple prompt. I just told it that a man in a jungle and found a treasure and that's glowing or something like that. So let's send it. And here you'll see that our automation is now running. So till when the automation is running, I'll make you understand what it is doing. This module is receiving the message from this channel, which is I've created in my Slack, and then I am converting a simple prompt into high quality, very comprehensive prompt using Gemini, which is for free. And then I'm using the secret HTTP module, which we will be talking later. And then we have some simple tools and uploading back the data to our Slack. And look at the image. Wow. Look at the quality of the image. I am really amazed. Wow. So if you are, saying that which tool I'm using, yes, the one and only I'm using Nano Banana, aka 2.5 Flash Gemini, and this is the API of 2.5 Flash, which I'm using via HTTP module, and that's it. We are getting high quality images from this automation. So if you want me to create a complete video, a step-by-step way to create the same automation for yourself, just comment the word Nano Banana and I will create a complete step-by-step video along with the complete JSON file of this automation. Thank you.